Hello friends, today's interview question is how to return multiple values from Python function. So now here I am defining one function mathop. So this function is taking two parameters a, b, and here in this function we are calculating addition of these two numbers a plus b and subtraction equal to a minus b, right? And I am returning these two values from this function. So to return you have to use only return keyword and the variable the values which you want to return, so you have to give comma separated variable names, right? So now here I am returning add and sub from this math of function, right? So now we have defined this function. Now we need to call this function. So to call this function I am taking here name of the function. So this function is taking two parameters a and b. So because of that, when I am calling this function I should pass here two arguments. So now here 200 and 100 I have passed. Now this function is returning two values, so that's why I will take here ret variable, and in this variable we will get whatever this function is returning. Now we will print this ret on the console. So what we are getting we will check. So now I will save this program and run. So we are getting here tuple. So addition is 300, 200 plus 100, that is 300, and subtraction is 200 minus 100 is 100. So in this way we can return multiple values. So when you are return multiple values from this function, so now these values, so these multiple values are written as tuple. So because of this, see here we have round brackets, means this is one tuple. So we will check its data type also for verification. Print type ret val. So now I will save this program and run. So now it is a tuple. Now we know that tuple unpacking is there. So using tuple unpacking you can take these two variables in two different variables. So now I will take here, so again I will call this function. So I will take here ad and su. So sub. So I am taking here two variables, and here I am calling this function again math of. So now I will pass here two values 18 and 4. So now we will print this ad, that is add, and sub, that is subtraction. Otherwise we will take here also add a double d and here a double d. So now I will save this program and run. So now name add is not defined. Sorry, here add d. So if I run this, so I am getting here 22 and 14, right? So here what we have done, we have used tuple unpacking. So because of that, whatever this variable's value it has written, this function has written, so we have unpacked and we have printed those on the console. So in this way you can return multiple values from a function, and when you are returning multiple values from a function, those are written as a tuple, and using tuple unpacking you can unpack those return values. So return value tuple you can unpack. So in this way we have seen how to return multiple values from Python functions. If you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video.